You see, let me talk about something. It's not that this thing is bothering me, and nobody said the thing they bother me, but for Nigerians to learn. There was a day I had the guy called Wounded Civilian talking rubbish. You know, he has been propounding histories that he doesn't understand. And I believe people like Ijere and George Onyibe also shares things like this. You already seen the topic. They will tell you because of Igbo attitude, Ambazonia joined Cameroon. It is a lie. Can any of them swear that that is the truth? And you, for those who listen, you listen because, and you don't challenge them, is because you don't know history. They can't bring that crap to me. And if they think they are correct, let them challenge my video anytime they see this video. Challenge it with facts. You used to hear Ambazonia people left Nigeria because of Igbo. Is that true? I'm going to use Pidgin English in this video to make it more clearer. I want to make it clear. It no be true. The story say Ambazonia come out for Nigeria because of Igbo people. Na big lie. Will come later. And some people go say this lie come from the pit of hell. History no support them at all. It's a lie. History no even support the lie. Make I break them down well and small for now. First, wetin be Ambazonia? Ambazonia na the English-speaking part of Cameroon, where then they call Southern Cameroon before. Now then be Ambazonia. Before independence, then be British land. Now Britain they rule Ambazonia, and that is why Ambazonia they speak English. Britain just they manage them together with Eastern Nigeria. Before. But make this one clear. You know mean say na Nigeria own them. No. Britain just they manage there with Eastern Nigeria. No be say na Nigeria get Ambazonia. No. And you know mean say Igbo people they rule Ambazonia as at that time. No. Note that one. So why Britain join with Nigeria? Why? Na convenience. No be matter of tribe. No be tribe matter. You know those times for them to easily manage all the places where then they colonize. So no be matter of anything. For convenience sake, Igbo people they rule many places together, make them save stress. You understand? Now what happen? So as at that time, this Southern Cameroon, Ambazonia, where then they call them today, they administered from Enugu, later Lagos. But the British officials, now then they make the decision concerning the Ambazonia, no be Igbo people. The people still get, as at that time, their own chiefs, their own courts, their own local government, their own identity. You get tribes like Bakweri, Bamenda, Manyu, etc. They are all there. So I beg, make nobody lie to you. For people where they deceive on with fake history. And because you know they read, they're not going to come near people like me. I don't drag them with George Onyibe one night for almost 3 hours. Wounded Civilian, I don't drag them with them. Now, when he come to people who know history, then you go see them, then go soften. They're no fit. Now people where then go they deceive. I don't know why people go to turn up something upside down. Ijele onna to find story where be in favor of Igbo. You go turn them upside down. I don't suppose they mention these people because nobody say they're really relevant. Well, if I don't hear this kind of argument where then they. So make nobody lie for you. Now British people rule Ambazonia. No be Igbo people rule them. There's no time Igbo people rule Ambazonia. Now here is the real matter concerning Ambazonia. The 1961 UN vote. For 1961, United Nations come organize votes. 1961. Remember why I say I gotta speak Pidgin English? So that I for clear them for your eye. So that nobody go deceive you again. When somebody one talk say, now because of Igbo, you go fit challenge the people well. So 1961, United Nations come organize vote. Then give Southern Cameroon people only 2 options. That 1961. They say, join Nigeria or join French Cameroon. Remember, say these people are English. They say join this place called Nigeria or join French Cameroon. Join English Nigeria. Nigeria is English, or join French Cameroon. As at that time, British people no allow them independence. Note, they no, okay, according to UN, they no give them independence at all as options where they give them. The only options where they give them are to join Nigeria or join French Cameroon. They no give them independence option at all. So no third option. So now so then take trap them down. Then trap them down. So no be Igbo man fault. And this part now the main issue. You understand? Now, why them choose Cameroon? Listen carefully. Why them choose Cameroon no get anything to do with Igbo people? It no concern Igbo people. The real reason be this. One, then they fear northern Nigeria. At that time, Nigeria, they turn northern dominated. Southern Cameroon leaders fear say, then go sideline them. Now, actually fear of northern Nigeria. Because everything about Nigeria, they smell not as at that time. Remember say, when British people, they leave Nigeria, not then give power. Abi, people won't argue that one again. So, the actual fear, then they fear not be Igbo. The second one be sweet mouth from French Cameroon. You know, when somebody, the way then they behave that time, like say, oh, they come, na salad and this one I gonna eat. The French Cameroon then promise these people federal system, autonomy, equal partnership. So now the thing will woo them. Then come go French Cameroon. But later, Cameroon can scatter everything. Now there wahala take start. The third one, the third reason why they no agree join Nigeria. Nigeria no fight to keep them. Nigeria no hustle to keep them. Nigeria no fight to make sure say them be part of Nigeria. Nigeria no campaign well. Many Nigerian leaders no send them as at that point in time. Then the other fourth one, na political calculation. Some leaders feel say, then go get more power for inside Cameroon. Just like you see, say, now then they try to exit, they want their own nation outside Cameroon onto Ambazonia level. But they don't know say it go day hard. Say Pobia and Co no go agree. You understand? So, then feel say, then go get better thing under Cameroon. So then comes go Cameroon side. Now so then reason them. You understand? So where this Igbo problem story come from? Now letter story be that. Now letter story. It start after Biafra War. Remember when they do this plebiscite, 1961, Biafra never, nothing like Biafra War. In fact, now after 5 years still, before Biafra War start. So the idea say that Igbo then they fear, we make them join Cameroon. It start after Biafra War. It start because of Nigeria-Cameroon border wahala. Now the thing will cause up. And another one, na modern Ambazonia propaganda. If you know even Ambazonia, they propound this thing. People like Ijele them and the rest of them, na them feed they, you know. Then the other one, na social media fake history. The coming of social media begin the, you know, many people get out, then begin to spread anything. You understand? Now, they use them to create anger. Then they use them to create anger. To, you know, every blame, na Igbo people. Then they use them to blame one tribe, Igbo people. Then also they use them to justify their own frustration. Then they say it go day easy with Cameroon. Just like this freedom where they fight now. Some of them say feel they regret, them feel they say if for day easy with Nigeria, maybe them for don't get there for them. Who knows? But if you know see day easy. So that idea say na Igbo people then they fear. Now to justify frustration. But history no agree. History is history. No they to twist and no go make them become what it no be. So the correct truth be say, make we talk am straight. Ambazonia no live because of Igbo people. No. Igbo people no get time where they control southern Cameroon. Yeah. Now Oyibo control everything. There was no time Igbo they rule Southern Cameroon. No. And there was no time Southern Cameroon was part of Nigeria. No. But the only thing we say, the people where they rule Nigeria, Oyibo where they rule Nigeria at that point in time, they rule them like say na one. They never call them one country. Then they on their own. But Oyibo where they rule Nigeria still they manage that place. Later then come give them opportunity to decide where they want to be. So nothing like this idea of ethnic oppression chase them. No. Igbo never controlled that place before. Now Igbo they administer the place. Now UN decision make them. And waiting make them also join that Cameroon because normally waiting they forgive them at their own independence, but UN no want made them deal. They won't put them inside one country. They can't tell them choose. Another reason again, we make that the thing happen now, political fear plus false promises where no letter come. Now colonial arrangement now spoil everything. Today, many Ambazonians they talk, we regret joining Cameroon. But why? The true federalism where them promise them inside Cameroon, it don't die. And English language where then they speak, you know, say that British people rule them. Then Cameroon, French Cameroon, they try to suppress them. I don't meet with some of them. Then they tell me say, they won't even make them know they speak English again, make them they speak French. And then they don't want that kind of thing. All of the promises where Cameroon give them, all of their alluring promise, you know, it's just like you day in between decision of choosing between two men as a lady. The other man, they promise you, oh, I'll give you this, I'll give you this. But the other man not to, you know, to show concern like that. You can't say, this why they promise me ice cream every day, all of this, you know, taking me out to Mr. B, make I follow him. You know, no say, no be so in hard day, until on a marry. And at the marriage, then they, you know, easy for them. So many things no they as them tell them, say it go be. Courts and schools don't change everything. Identity, they try to erase their identity. French Cameroon, they try to suppress them totally. Everything about them made them come under French. So what happen be say, na colonial deceit be the problem. The problem no be Nigeria. The problem no be Igbo people. Colonial deceit. Na be the problem. Blaming Igbo people na wrong history and cheap manipulation. The real culprit na British colonial policy, UN limitation, bad political decision where they make, and Cameroon broken promises. Promises where their boyfriend Cameroon make where they no deliver. Na him be the problem. Make history no turn weapon. No. So anybody will say na because of Ndi Igbo, Kwechiri tell them the real truth. Now because you don't know history, I make them go tell you say, na Igbo cause make them go join Cameroon, no be Ndi Igbo. Igbo never ruled them before. People where they rule them, and they rule Igbo too. So then check. And Nigeria no too show sign. Cameroon, they, you know, lady, take ice cream. I'll take it to Mr. Biggs. I'll go to Onisha, go tell you, I'll go to Shu, go tell Gaba, Onisha. That is the problem. Now here I say make I leave them. This one na Igbo Area TV channel. Make you share widely. If you never subscribe, I beg make you subscribe. I am Azuka Oja. I say bye for now.